Want to open up a Siedle Vario 611 door station for repairs or maintenance? It's easy with the Vario 611 assembly key. See for yourself. Insert the key between two modules. Slowly move the key from side to side until you feel a slight indentation in the middle. Press into the indentation. Remove the unlocked modules. Unplug any connections and remove the function modules. To reassemble, follow the steps in reverse order. Plug the connections back in. Position the function module in the mounting frame and lock it back into place on the locking side. You can reassemble other modules the same way until all modules have been reinserted. Done!